of your life. That must have been really hard.
Featuring a stark post-divorce look for Frida, the ghost-like image of the group, suggesting echoes of previous lives, only add to the heartbreak of the song and the sense that time was running out for ABBA.